Hi, I'm Oliver Harwood.
Hello, I'm Jocelyn Dodier, one of the owners at Studio Stone Creative, and I'm very excited today to be here.
We make these really cool soapstone carving kits. We are so excited about these, and we've had such a good response from retailers, from parents, from students. We teach in schools and they just love them. So we would like you to check them out, and we'd love to work with you moving forward. Thank you.
Thanks.
We designed these kits to be successful for all ages. Even 7 years and up can complete their own animal. We have North American animals, we have ocean animals, and we have an African series. So let's open the kit and see what's inside. When you open the box, you're going to find everything you need for your carving project. First is the soapstone carving shape, the file for carving, there's 2 levels of sandpaper and wax. We also include very beautiful color step-by-step instructions. Now to do your carving, you want to use a bowl of water because the whole process is done using water to eliminate dust. You simply file the edges, round out the shapes, and do the details till your carving is shaped the way you like it. Then you get it wet again with a sandpaper and sand out all the scratches and file marks until it's really nice and smooth. Once both levels of sanding is done, your carving is looking really nice and beautiful. Heat the stone up with a hairdryer and then wax it. You have your finished stone sculpture, whether it's green or brown or yellow or any color of the stone. These are great for learning skills and having fun. Our kits come in single and in double kits, so choose which ones you like and let us know, and we're happy to help. So how did this all begin? My background is in stone sculpture, making sculpture of all different shapes and sizes. But it is too difficult for most people to do. So the idea was to invent a product that could be done by a 7-year-old. So taking a base shape and filing it down, you can follow the step-by-step instructions and create your very own beautiful soapstone carving. And this is our kits. This is where it came from. We hope you enjoy it, and we love to talk to you.